Hey folks, Gary Bunzer here, FMCA members. I'm here with Kenny Day from Day Brothers RV.
Yes.
Kenny, how you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
Good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now tell me about your dealership.
Our dealership, we've got a dealership here in London, Kentucky, here in Lake Park, Georgia. We've got two locations now, big service center, a lot of inventory to look at, from trailers to fifth wheels.
So you're selling both motorized and towables?
Everything. We sell everything. We're full line. Yeah, we do it. Service on everything, like I was saying, and full line motorized or trailers.
Full line deal. Now you say you have service department.
Yes.
Do you have certified technicians working in those dealerships?
Certified technicians. We've probably got over 30 bays.
Wow.
We've got people working all the time. Yeah, we do everything. We do a lot of warranty work. We can help you in any way you want to be helped on the RV business. Do a lot of satellites, just anything you want.
Aftermarket installations?
Oh yeah, we do all that. Yeah.
Now I know you probably don't do chassis work or drivetrain or engine stuff.
No,
like
we
that.
send that out. We've got locations beside us that we send all that out.
But you do anything in the coach?
Yeah, anything in the coach.
All the major systems.
All the major systems inside and out of the coach, except for the chassis. We do that.
Now, how do you keep up on the technician training? I just want to focus there a little bit because that's my background as a technician.
The technician training, of course, RVIA, RVDA, we do a lot of that, and get our guys certified. We're actually doing that right now. Some guys are going to school right now on being certified.
Oh, great.
On different, not only just to be certified in one area, but they're going different areas to be certified. Maybe if it's on Dometic or
one of the specialties.
Aqua Hots and doing all that. And
that is outstanding. Now, I don't see a brother. What's Day Brothers?
Day Brothers, my mom and dad. We are in partners with my mom and dad. They started in the car business probably back in 1993.
Oh my goodness!
Started selling motorhomes in 2001. So sisters and cousins and nephews. We're a big family business.
That is so cool. I remember being in business with my mom and dad at one point.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Now you say you have 2 locations. Tell me where they are again.
One of them is Lake Park, Georgia, which is just a little south of Valdosta on the Florida-Georgia line.
Okay.
One of them in the southeastern part of Kentucky on 75. Both of them on 75.
Just if you had to transfer one unit to another dealership, you just get on the road and don't get off.
That you get on the road and don't get off. Can't get lost that way. Yeah.
Is there a website that you can direct people to?
There is. We've got a website. You can go to either location on one website, daybrothersrvsales.com.
daybrothersrvsales.com.
Yeah.
That's it. That's fantastic. Well, it's a pleasure talking to you.
Yes, sir.
You enjoying this beautiful weather?
I enjoy this. We have. FMCA has done us good. We enjoy being here and being a part of that. We really appreciate that. And
that's outstanding.
We enjoy Georgia. Now, we like Georgia.
Sure.
This weather down here from Kentucky, I've been down here a month now, so I'm liking that. Yeah.
That is outstanding. Yeah. Well, folks, there you have it. Day Brothers RV in Kentucky and in Georgia. We're enjoying this beautiful weather here in Perry, Georgia.